Looking to reduce setup times and boost the throughput of your CNC lathes? Look no further than Quick Grip CNC Collet chucks from Royal Products. Collet changes are fast and precise, taking as little as 10 seconds with an accuracy of 2/10,000ths of an inch TIR or better. Here's how it works. The collets are made of hardened steel segments that are securely joined by vulcanized rubber and feature an annular hook and groove configuration. When used with the exclusive installation tool, the collet compresses and easily fits into the collet chuck. A quick release springs the collet open, seating the hooks for full positive contact. These parallel grip collets with a full 60,000ths of an inch radial gripping range make contact over their entire length, maintaining optimum accuracy and providing the grip force needed to handle aggressive cutting without the worry of part pushback. In addition, they're the most compact chucks in the industry. AccuLength collet chucks are available in compact and ultra-compact models. Their lighter weight reduces wear and tear on machine spindle bearings and allows for faster acceleration and deceleration, resulting in reduced cycle times and increased profitability. Available in the traditional pullback configuration, an AccuLength design that eliminates Z-axis part movement, and a pull-to-a-stop configuration that draws the part securely against an axial stop for precise Z-axis part location. 4 sizes to choose from, including our QG100 with a full 4-inch bar capacity. All models include Royal's exclusive bolt-and-go mounting feature for quick, easy mounting and maximum accuracy and rigidity. Royal Quick Grip CNC Collet chucks are designed for today's high-pressure coolant systems. They're lubricated for life, incorporate multiple O-ring seals to keep coolant and contaminants out, and are balanced for high-speed operation. Quick Grip Collet choices include smooth and serrated bores, as well as hex, square, and emergency collets. Custom shapes and sizes are also available as quick ship specials. Royal stocks a full range of accessories, including ejectors, adapter plates, and stops. Royal's huge inventory of chucks, collets, and over 300 custom machine draw tube connectors enables same-day shipping on almost every order. All backed up with Royal's exclusive risk-free performance guarantee. 10-second collet changes. The industry's leading gripping range. Up to 4-inch capacity. Ultra-precision accuracy. Extreme grip force and rigidity. And the industry's best tool clearance. Quick Grip CNC Collet chucks from Royal Products. The most advanced collet chucks available for today's CNC lathes.